I've had these panels on my roof for over a year now, and these panels have been powering my house using my Bluetti Ac200Max and the B300 off-grid. I'm using these LG used panels that I got off the Facebook market, and I have them in 3 series, 2 parallel. And to protect the wires in between, I'm using this cable cover. And I've recently added that because the PV wire, the red wire in particular, kind of is faded a little bit. So this is just for protection. And in order to do the parallel, you're gonna need to get yourself one of these parallel devices, as you can see right here. And I got those off of Amazon. I got a 2-pack for about $10. Here's the different types of covers I'm using. Right here I'm using a 1/2 inch, and the one above that on the thicker connectors I actually put a few of a 1 inch to cover the connector. Some of it is still exposed, but for the most part, most of the wires are covered. Right here, I'm using some padding, some rubber padding on the wood. And these connectors for the solar panel and piece of wood right there, I got off of Amazon. They're just some solar panel connectors. And right here, I have a steel cable going through the top of each solar panel. So they're all connected through the wood and the steel cable. And at the other end, I have these I-hook or I-beam hook things. And they're pretty thick. This is actually the second one I've installed, because as you can see right there, the thinner ones bent up during a crazy storm. So I replaced them with thick ones, and I went deeper into the fascia board. And I have the steel wire going through the top of the panels and the bottoms of the panels. This year we've had some really crazy weather in my area, and in particular this storm right here blew over fences and trees in my neighborhood with gusts up to 60 miles an hour. And I came out to look at my solar panels and they didn't budge a bit. So I'm very happy with how well they've held up. Right here I want to show you guys how I have the PV wire ran underneath the fascia board. I have it protected until I get underneath where the sun can't really hit it. And here is the positive leg protected, and then they all just kind of join together, the negative and positive. I come out right here, I drilled a 1 inch hole with a hole saw, and then I ran it under the roof right here, the roof cover, and it's all protected until it gets out right here into the sun. And I put this cover on it, wire cover, and I used just some C-clamps, like you can see right here, that I've gotten from Home Depot to hold it in place. And then the wire goes through into the house right there, and it's all silicone and caulked up, so no insects or bugs get into it. I'm extremely happy with the amount of power I'm pulling from these panels into my Ac200Max by Bluetti. I need to get a new roof soon, so that's why I haven't mounted these solar panels permanently. But when I get the new roof, I'll make sure to put the correct mounts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.